Well, hi everybody, Mindy here, and I'm just going to give you a quick update on the Mindy's Magic EA. Today is January 23rd, 2019. Now, I haven't done an update since the 17th, so actually it's been 3 or 4 trading days now, right? And I apologize for that. I've just been busy and I just simply haven't had time to do a video. So I'll do one right now. Now, the thing is, on the 17th, if you remember right, we had 2 USD CHF trades that were both hedged and had quick fixers on them. Well, those trades are still here, okay? We also had an NZD USD trade that entered on the 16th, the trading day of the 16th, and that trade is still here, okay? Now, all of these trades have been in here for quite a while now. The USD CHF original trades went in on January 10th. Their hedges and quick fixers went in on January 16th, right? And the NZD USD buy trade has been here since January 16th. Okay, so sometimes this happens. This is not unusual, and I'm not the least bit concerned about it. But what you see is that currently these quick fixers, which are not hedged, are sucking up about $210 or something of the $477 of negative PL. Right? So, a couple of days ago, these 2 quick fixer trades were actually uglier than they are right now. In fact, right now, they're about 50-something pips negative, right? Now, late last week, I think it was on Friday, or maybe it was Sunday or Monday, I don't remember. I was really hoping that these 2 quick fixer trades would get ugly enough that they would need a hedge of their own, because I really wanted to show you how that works, because it's really slick. But they got about, I don't know, 85 or 90 pips negative, but they never hit that threshold where they would put on a hedge and a quick fixer of their own. So unfortunately, I don't have an example of that to show you. Now, currently, I still have 2 open positions for today's trading day. We're still actually in the trading day of the 23rd, and this trading day won't end for about another 45 minutes. Okay, so anyway, I still have 2 original trades from this trading day. But when we go to the account history, so far in the current trading day, what we see is that so far today, on the 23rd of January, I've closed 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 trades for a total of $72. Okay, so we're kind of back to our averaging $72 a day. But let me tell you something. Yesterday was an incredibly slow day. Monday was an incredibly slow day. Last Friday was an incredibly slow day. So, and I think last Thursday was too. Okay, so the last time I did an update was on the 17th. So let's just go see what the history is from January 17th, which was last Thursday, to today. And what we see is during that time, we've only closed $187.88. Now, that's what, 4 trading days? Let's go look at the calendar again. Let's see, from the 17th to today, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 trading days. So, theoretically, if we were going to average about 70-something dollars a day, and we've had 5 trading days since I last updated the EA, that would mean that if we were maintaining that $70 average every day, the total right here for this time frame would be closer to $350, not $187. So that tells you how slow the market's been. Now, the thing is, there's nothing I can do about that. You know, so when the market doesn't move, the EA doesn't make a lot of trades. So if we wanted to see how many trades it closed or opened or whatever on these different trading days, what we would do is sort them by exit date, right? That would do it for us. And what we see is on the 17th, we closed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 trades total. On the 18th, we closed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, again, very small numbers, very small trades. Okay, on the 21st, which was the Sunday, Monday trading day of this week, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 trades, that was it. Now, they were a little bit bigger trades than they were last Friday, but they still weren't worth much. And then on the 22nd, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 trades. So this trading day of the 23rd has by far been the best trading day that I've had for 5 trading days. Okay, so anyway, it gets a little frustrating when you have 2 or 3 or 4 days in a row when the EA is only making $20, $30, $40, right? But it's okay. It's all going to pan out in the end. It's all going to average out in the end, you know, to be something good. But the important thing that I want you to make a note of is that when we look at the open positions, currently I only have 2 open positions from today. They still have not hedged and they have not gotten their profit stops on them. This NZD trade that has been in here since the 16th, almost a week, it never has gotten ugly enough to hedge, and it never has gotten profitable enough to get a profit stop on it. So far, it's just sitting there. Now, actually, this morning, about 3 or 4 o'clock this morning, I was watching this pair, and it actually did get profitable. It got like 3.5 pips profitable. Had it gotten 4 pips profitable, the profit stop would have placed itself on the trade, and it would have stopped out for 3 pips, right? But anyway, it didn't. So now, you know, I'm having to wait for the price on the NZD USD to go up a little bit more before it's going to take this trade out for a profit. Okay, so anyway, that's kind of how it goes, and there's nothing really we can do about it. Monday was slow because we were in a U.S. bank holiday. Friday was slow because we were coming into a U.S. bank holiday Monday.
Sell above.
So a lot of the professional traders take 4 days off, right? They take the Friday and the Monday. And so anyway, there's a lot of reasons why the market's slow. You know, when we have bank holidays and things like that, the market is going to be extra slow. So anyway, it is what it is. But that's okay. We don't care, right? So anyway, what I wanted to tell you is that if you would like more information about the Magic EA, and here again, what I'd like to emphasize, because I think you would be interested in this, when we go to this history, and whoops, I don't want to do a new order, I'm trying to get to the history. Let's just go take a look for a minute at all of the history in this account. Now this would be the history from the date that I opened it all the way to today. What I want you to notice here is I'd like for you to kind of watch as I scroll through here and look and see what all of these trades have in common. Okay? So we'll just kind of scroll down the list very slowly and take a look and see if you can figure out what all of these trades have in common. And what you're going to see is that they all have closed for profit. Okay? That's the thing about it. Except this one. Uh-oh, here's one. It didn't close for a profit, but this was a trade that was a hedge, and we see that right above it we had a trade that was a fixer trade, and so the fixer bought off the hedge, right? So these two have a combined total of a profit, and that will happen every time you have a hedge and a quick fixer close. You will always have a profitable outcome on the transaction. But as we scroll down here, oh, here's some more. Hedges and quick fixers always equal a profitable outcome. But the one thing that all of the trades have in common is that they all close for a profit. Okay? So far, since I've been trading this account since what was it, January 7th or something like that, it's closed $745 of profit, right? So when we go back over here, what that means is that today, if I was going to cash out of the account today, I would walk away with $10,273 because $472 of the balance is tied up in negative PL. And that's okay.
Sell above.
Because all of these trades will ultimately close for a profit. And when they all come out, the equity and the balance will be the same number, right? And the equity number will move up to the balance number, not the other way around. So anyway, I just wanted to show you that again. And I still have all these trades. And on margin, currently, I'm only spending $93.59 on margin deposits to keep all of these trades open, right? So anyway, if you're trading in the United States, you really need to contact me. And when you'd like to contact me, it's very easy. Here is my website, www.mindyyost.com. Throw my first name and my last name right together as one big word, two Y's right next to each other, mindyyost.com. Here is my email address right here, front and center on the home page of my website, mindyyost@kc.rr.com. Okay, but if you're trading in the United States, shoot me an email. I will send you some information so that you will know the truth about trading with brokers in other countries, where you will not have to pay real high leverage deposits on your trades, where you will be able to hedge your trades, and you won't have to put up with the FIFO, the first in, first out rules. And it will be a game changer to your trading. Okay? So anyway, go ahead. Take the step. Contact me. If you don't want to contact me and you just want to try a foreign broker, this link right here. If you click this link, you can go and open a free, absolutely free demo account with one of the brokers that I use. And you're going to love it. You're going to love it because trading with foreign brokers is wonderful. So anyway, I just wanted to let you know that. And then also, you know, if you like what you're seeing on the EAs, go ahead and click the Shop Now button, and it will take you over to information on how you can buy a limited license to one of my EAs. Maybe all you want to do is try it on a demo account for a while. You know, whatever. Doesn't matter. Maybe you only want to try it for 1 month, right? I also have the Profit Stop Plus EA. It's like the Magic EA, but it doesn't make trades. It only manages the trades that you take manually. Okay? So anyway, here again, you can choose, you know, maybe you want to keep it forever and you don't want to have to keep paying all the time. Buy a lifetime license. You'll never have to pay for it again. No matter how many times I update the EA, you would continue to get your updates for free. right? So anyway, and I also have other stuff I sell on the website. But anyway, that's all I have to say today. So it's just a short update. Happy trading, everybody. I'll make another update to the Magic EA. I'll try to do another one this week. But it's already Wednesday. I probably won't do another update until Friday evening, okay? But everything is going just as planned with the EA. I wish that we had a little bit busier markets so that we would be bulking up our money that we have in free margin more. But, you know, the thing about Forex trading is that as long as you're adding a little bit of money every day, the numbers do add up, and they do ultimately move into your favor. And the longer that you have negative PL, the less impactful it really is to the overall balance and equity of the account, right? So it's no big deal, you know. So anyway, there you have it. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.